Here's the most optimal Nvidia Control Panel setup for maximum FPS and minimum input delay. Open Nvidia Control Panel and go to Manage 3D Settings. Set Preferred Graphics Processor to your Nvidia GPU. Then apply these settings. Image Scaling off, Ambient Occlusion off, Anisotropic Filtering Application controlled, FXAA off, Gamma Correction off, Anti-aliasing mode off, Background Application Max Frame Rate off, CUDA GPUs all, DSR factors off. Low latency mode set to ultra. This is one of the most impactful settings for reducing input delay. Max frame rate off. MFAA off. OpenGL rendering GPU set to your Nvidia card. Power management mode set to prefer maximum performance. Preferred refresh rate set to highest available. Texture filtering anisotropic sample optimization off. Texture filtering quality set to high performance. Trilinear optimization on. Threaded optimization on. VSync off. This is critical for maximum FPS. Click Apply. Go to Configure Surround and Physics. Under Physics Settings, set the processor to your Nvidia GPU. Click Apply. Go to Adjust Desktop Size and Position. Set Perform Scaling on to display, not GPU. Check Override the scaling mode set by games and programs. Click Apply. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.